Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your second online video of math, and we are doing the chapter of fractions. Moving on to the next page, page number 78. We have done till page number 77. Now page number 78. This is just a revision. They have given us more questions and we are just going to solve it. Page number 78, question number 5, part A, add or subtract. Now they have given us both the questions of addition also and subtraction also. We have to simplify it and express your answers in the simplest form. A part is 4 whole 2 by 9 plus 6 whole 2 by 3. How you will solve it? Is equal to, first we will change mixed numbers into improper fractions. Denominator multiplied by whole number, 9 4s are 36, then it will be added into the numerator. 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. This is the improper fraction, plus 3 6s are 18, denominator multiplied by the whole number, and then it will be added with the numerator. 3 6s are 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. Now what do we have to do? We have to make the denominators same. 3 cannot go on the table of 9, but 9 can go on the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Numerator will also be multiplied with the same number, 20 multiplied by 3. 38 by 9 will come as it is, plus 23s are 60, 3 3s are 9. 38 plus 60 by 9. 38 plus 60 is equal to 98 by 9. In the simplest form, can 98 by 9 divided by any number? No. This is the simplest form. B part, 2 whole 2 by 5 plus 5 whole 1 by 3. Changing mixed numbers into improper fractions, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 plus 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Making the denominator same, 3 5s are 15, 16 5s are, and then 5 3s are 15, again multiplying it by the numerator's number. 12 3s are 36 by 15 plus 16 5s are 80 by 15. Now 36 plus 80, denominator is same, 36 plus 80 will become 116 by 15. Got it? C part, 6 whole 1 by 8 minus 3 whole 3 by 4. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 1 49 by 8 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15 by 4. We have to make the denominator same, 4 2s are 8, and again multiplying this by 2. 49 by 8 minus 15 2s are 30, 4 2s are 8. 49 minus 30 divided by 8. 49 minus 30, 19 by 8. This is already in the simplest form. I'll do the D part also for you. 8 whole 5 by 6 minus 3 whole 7 by 12. 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 5, 53. 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 7, 43 by 12. Making the denominator same, 6 2s are will become 12, and multiplying this also with 2. 53 2s are 106, 6 2s are 12 minus 43 by 12. 106 minus 43 by 12, answer will be 63 by 12. This can be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 3 4s are 12. 21 by 4. Got it? So this is page number 78. Now moving on to the next page, page number 79. We have done this page in the class. Page number 80, question number 2. Stop, repeat. Page number, repeat, start. Page number 80. Question number 2. Express the following improper fractions as mixed numbers. They have given us in question number 2, 21 by 10. They have given us improper fraction. We have to change it into the mixed numbers. How? 10 divided by 21. 21 divided by 10. 10 2s are 20. 1 minus 0 will become 1. So 2 whole 1 by 10. I will just do it with you. B part is 17 by 4. C part is 7 by 3, 80 by 9. Now 17 by 4. Dividing 17 by 4, 4 4s are 16, 1. So 4 whole 1 by 4. 7 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remainder. 2 whole 1 by 3. Quotient is the whole, remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. We have already done this in the classes. Now this is just the revision. 2 whole 1 by 3. 80 by 9. I am just doing it for the rough side. You will just write the answers. Nine 8s are 72. 8 whole 8 by 9. 24 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 remainder. So 3 whole 3 by 7. 36 by 5. 5 7s are 35. 1 minus 7 whole 1 by 5 is the answer. Question 3 is already done. Question 4 also. Question number 5 also is done. Page number 82 is also done. Now open page number 83. Stop, repeat. Repeat, start. Page number 83. Question number 7. Add or subtract. Give your answers in the simplest form. A part 7 by 10 plus 4 by 5. We will multiply 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 7 plus 8, 15 by 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 by 2 is the answer. B part, this page, now B, C, D, E, F, you will do it by yourself because these are the same questions. We have already done it. Page number 84 is also done. Page number 85 is also done. Page number 86, 87 done. 88 is also done. Moving on to page number 89. Page number 89, question number 12. Express the following mixed numbers as improper fractions. I will do 1-2 questions for you and then do it by yourself. A part is 1 whole 4 by 5. We have to make the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 multiplying denominator by the whole number and then adding it into the numerator. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 by 5. This is the answer. B, C, D, E and F, you will do it by yourself. Or I'll do one more question for you. C part. 2 whole 3 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Question number 13. Express the following improper fractions as mixed numbers. We already have done it in the last question. You will do it by yourself. I'll do just one question for you. Question number 13, part A. 7 by 3. How you will do it? Dividing it by this value 3. 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 remainder. So this will be the whole number. 2 whole. Denominator, remainder will be the numerator 1 and divisor will be 3. 2 whole 1 by 3 is a mixed number. B, C, D, E and F, you will do it by yourself. Now question number 14. This is also same, but I'll do it for you. Question number 14, part A. 3 whole 1 by 5 minus 1 whole 7 by 10. First we'll change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 minus 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 7, 17 by 10. Making denominator same. 5 2s are will become 10. Dividing 2 by, multiplying 2 by 16 also. 16 2s are 32, 5 2s are 10, minus 17 by 10 as it is. 32 minus 17 by 10. 15 by 10. Now we have to write it in the simplest form. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 by 2 is the answer. B part. 8 whole 1 by 4 plus 7 whole 3 by 8. Changing mixed numbers into the improper fractions. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33 by 4. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 3, 59 by 8. Making the denominator same. 4 2s are will become 8. Multiplying numerator with 2 also. 33 2s are 66, 4 2s are 8 plus 59 by 8. 66 plus 59 by 8. 66 plus 59 will become 125 by 8 and this is the answer. It will not be simplified. Now page number 90 is also done. Page number 91 is also done. 92, 93, we have done it. Now open page number 94. Repeat, stop. Repeat, start. Okay, now move on to page number 94, question number 8, part A. This is just the revision. I'll do 2 questions for you and you will do it by yourself, rest of the questions. On page number 94, add or subtract the following fractions. Write your answers in the simplest form. Okay, A part is very easy. A part, you will do it by yourself. I'll do the B part. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. You will first make the, first you will write it as it is. You will make the denominator same. 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20, plus 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 8 plus 15 by 20. 23 by 20. C and D also you will do it by yourself. Page number 95. Page number 95, question number 9, part A. Six by 10 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10 is equal to what? We have to make the denominator same first. 6 by 10 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. These two denominators are same. Now we have to make 2 also into 10. 2 5s are 10. We have to multiply the same number with the numerator. 6 by 10 plus 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 by 10. 6 plus 5 plus 1 by 10. 6 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 12 by 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 6 by 5 is the answer. Okay. B part, I'll do it for you. I've already told you before also. There is 1 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Now what does this 1 mean? Is it numerator or denominator? This is numerator. We will put 1 by ourselves in the denominator, but this one has no value, so we have to make the denominator same. We will write 1 by 1 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. We have to make the denominator same. 6 2s are will become 12, dividing the same number by numerator. And now where will 1 go on the number 12? 1 12s are 12 and 1 12s are 12. 1 12s are 12. 12 by 12 minus 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 by 12. 12 minus 2 minus 1 by 12. 12 minus 2, 10, 10 minus 1, 9 by 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 by 4 is the answer. C and D part you will do it by yourself. This is it for today. Rest of it we'll do it in the next video. Allah Hafiz.